Dear BTEC students, in this video I will show you how to answer the BTEC exam by using the BTEC exam demonstration or demo. The exam will be on 30th of May 2024 and will be 2 hours duration and will be practical, which means that we will go to the lab. In the lab you will find a folder named BTEC exam like this one, and you will need to open that folder. You'll find a set of files inside this folder. The exam will look like this. There are 3 sections, section of question 1, 2, and 3. One is a Microsoft Word application. PowerPoint is question 2, and then the Microsoft Excel. We'll start with question 1, which asking you to open a file called a document called Qatar and perform the following steps on this document. So you need to go back to the folder, exam folder, and open this file or document which is named Qatar. We get back to questions and set page border for this document, this one. Okay, we get back to file and we go to design, page borders, and then use box. You have now the borders for the document. Okay, I advise you to save all steps. Once you've done, save this step. Now add a watermark to this document in which you write the word Qatar and make it gray so that it will not affect the readability of the text. How can I make a watermark for a document? I again go to from design, go to watermark, text. I use Qatar and advise you to make it diagonal. Well, we have now a watermark, as you can see, is done. Next, add Qatar as a title of the paragraph or the text. Center your title, make it bold, underline, and use a gray filling color or shading for this title. So I get back to the document and write, I leave it as it was, Qatar. How to make it in the center or the middle? I use this tool, and then bold B, underline U, and finally we make a gray color as a shading color. Don't use that one is highlighting, but this one is the shading color, which looks like that. Next, under this title, add the photo named flag.jpg, which is available in your exam folder. Resize this picture so that it appears in a suitable size. Use a soft edge oval picture format and apply on that picture. Now we need to add a picture, so we go back to, and I'll put the cursor here, insert picture from a file, and then I go to the folder, or exam folder, and add this picture. Now he's asking me to make it in the middle, okay, and resize. Now the last thing that you need to do is go to picture format and look for soft edge oval and apply it on the flag that looks like this. If you make it bigger, no problem, but don't make it big, too big, means it's not suitable for the text. That size is okay. Now finish from that. Use justify tool to apply the text tool in all paragraphs. Justify means the beginning and the ends of the text, they end the same point. I will show you, look at these lines here, they are not ending at the same point, but when you use the justify, here is the justify, now all lines end at the same point as they start at that point. So we apply all paragraphs, and you can select all paragraphs to do that at once. Okay, it's done. That one is done. Use bullet tool to apply on this. The list starts with Doha, Arayan, Al Wakra, and Al Khor. Bullet means that we need to make a list. So I find that list, that list appears here. And then I go to bullet. Use any symbol, no problem. The bullet look like that. Doha, Al Rayyan, Al Wakra, and Al Khor. That's it. Now, use spelling and grammar tool to correct the spelling and language mistakes. We go to the document again. Look at the mistakes. Here we have, like red underline. Middle is not written like this way. Address is wrong, written wrongly. Restaurants, traditional industry. We need to correct these spelling mistakes by going to review, spelling and grammar. Now he will try to track your document and find the spelling and grammar mistakes. Once if he catch one, he will see this is wrong, and the suggestion to correct it is using industry, that you need to see change, officially, change. Middle East is double D, change. Address like this, change. And traditional, change. Restaurants, change. And that's it. Now you receive a message, spelling and grammar check has completed. Okay. Then go to the exam. That is done. Save the changes in your document, close the document. That you need to go to the document now and make save and then close. Okay, by this we have finished the first part of the exam.